Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and today I wanted to kind of just quickly talk about a topic at hand that I think a lot of people struggle with, and that is, they try to find a way to actually be consistent in their trading each and every day. Each and every day when we go into the market, we're looking for certain things to happen. Maybe a certain setup you're looking for, because everybody trades different, right? So, but the thing about it is being able to be consistent each and every day is what allows us as traders to be able to make money, to do this full-time or either part-time, doesn't really matter. But if you're trading for a reason, right? It's something that you became passionate about. It's something that you heard about, that you maybe that you're in the process of learning about. And one of the things that allows us as traders to be consistent and profitable in the market is having a solid trading strategy, right? A solid trading strategy. Because the reason why, without a great trading strategy, then you're going to fault. You're not going to be able to be consistent each and every day. And you're going to lose money at some point. That's just point blank. And that's something we don't want to do, right? We want to be able to safeguard or safe net our account, so we're not blowing through our account, whatever the case is, as traders. So having a solid trading strategy is crucial to this game, okay? And I know a lot of us, I've struggled with it in the past when I first started. You learn something somewhere and it doesn't work, okay? And then what do? You're back to the drawing board trying to figure that out, right? Trying to figure out what can I do, or what is something else that I can learn that maybe gives me a better edge. And that's what I always say, the foundation to learning how to trade is what? It's through reading, okay? And that's why I put those books down in the description portion of this video. Some great books. I don't want to kind of talk about that too much, whatever the case is. But if you're looking for some great books to read, to kind of mentally prepare yourself, to kind of books that are impactful, that provide great content and great information about just the elements to pretty much trading. That's price action, market structure, volume, and that. The things that I use each and every day in my trading, just look down in the description portion of this video. So I'm not going to talk too much about that, but if you're interested, they're down you find links to those books down in the description portion of this video. But yeah, being consistent, with that strategy that you have, that trading strategy, each and every day, and once you find it works, back test it, and once you find out that it works, I'm not just saying back test it for a week. Back test it months at a time. And then when you start to see, oh, this strategy of mine is profitable, you might want to tweak it a little bit to make it even better for you in your trading, whatever the case is. Because, in trading each and every day, we want to become better, right? We're like students. We want to become better. We want to get better grades, okay? And better grades turns into what? In trading. We want to be able to make good money trading, correct? Right? But at the same time, I'm not telling you to jump out there and leverage your whole account, whatever the case is, and then blow through your money. I'm just saying take baby steps. Learn building blocks to get you where you want to be, and then use that tool, which is that trading strategy, having a great trading strategy in place, and it works, one that works. Stick with it each and every day. Do not deviate from your trading strategy, because it will nip you in the rear end eventually, okay? If you don't follow it, okay? That means sticking to the plan, sticking to the plan. You hear that in life, your mom, your parents may have said that, someone in your family, whatever the case is. Stick with it. Stick with the routine, because it's what's safe for you, okay? Because if you got something that works, you want it to work each and every day. You don't want it to, one day we're working for you and one day you deviate and you didn't say, and then you slap yourself and say, wow, I didn't follow that plan that I worked with yesterday, or the plan that works, that's been working for me for the last 5 years, whatever the case is. I deviated from it, and then slaps you on the hand, right? So that's what I'm trying to say, is that solid trading strategy, one that you found, one that you devised that actually works for you each and every day, stick with it. And a lot of people, what they end up doing sometimes, I've seen this with my own eyes, is that in the process of trying to make things great, there are great ways to trade, correct? But there's nothing perfect, right? Nothing perfect, because we don't control this as retail traders. We don't control the markets. There are bigger beings at hand that inject money, put the big money into the market, that push and pull the markets each and every day. The market is always evolving. It's always doing something new, okay? But that trading strategy that you have, regardless of the environment in which we trade in as the market evolves each and day, and you see that it works, why would you go outside of the box to try to change it or do something else? You know, you see someone else trading something else, and I think a lot of people start to form clouded minds when they see what works for them, and then they want to kind of dabble over there a little bit to see if they could maybe tweak what they have and try to possibly make it work a little bit better. And in light of things, all they're doing is really making things worse for themselves. So you have to kind of shut out things around you, the clutter of all the different ways that people want to say, hey, take a look at this, take a look at this, take a look at this, take a look at this. And eventually it starts impacting the way you trade as a trader. And then that strategy, you may start to slowly lose that little mojo you had, that little routine that you had, that strategy that was working for you. You start to slowly probably forget how you were actually using it in your day-to-day trading. So all I'm here today to tell you is that I see people falter. I see them struggle with not sticking with something that works for them. And then they slowly start to transition and trying other things out that actually puts them in a position to where they're actually losing money. They were making money, now they're losing money. So stick with what works for you, okay? Do not go outside the box. Even though they say, you know, in life, thinking outside the box can be great. It can be, depending on what the situation is, depending on what the topic may be. But in trading, it's a little different because we are developing and creating a plan for ourselves that we can stick with routinely to make money, okay? And then we're using that, we find a great trading strategy and we're back testing. We're back testing in the market on our charts, okay? To see how effectively it works. Once it works, it works. If you've done months and months of back testing and then current day and then next week and then next week and then month to month, year to year, you start to see that trading plan is working for you, stick with it. Don't change it, okay? And that's all I want to have. That's all I have to say today, guys. I'm throwing that out there as more than just food for thought, but it's a way to try to hit home at individuals that may be struggling with the topic at hand today, okay? So I'll leave you with that. If you're trading today, guys, please be safe in the market. I did some trading this morning. I was on Discord. If you're interested in joining the Discord for the Future Trading with Mike community, we have a good following base. Please look down in the description portion of this video. You will find the Discord link. Invite yourself for free, okay? And join the community. We sit back and each and every day, there's traders on there that we discuss the markets. We talk about levels. We talk about strategies that there are people on there who don't trade exactly like me, I'm sure. But it's good because it's a learning environment where traders can learn from each other, you know? So you don't have to be on there just to figure out and understand the way I trade. There may be someone on there that kind of trades the way you do. Going back to what I was saying, the trading strategy. So, but it's just a learning environment. Trust me, it's a good environment to where we talk about levels in the market each day. People ask questions. There's always someone that has an answer. So if you're interested in joining, join today. Find the link down in the description. And that's all I have for you today. Take care, and I'll see you probably in tomorrow's video. Not sure that topic's going to be about, but yes, I know I've kind of transitioned a little bit from doing the day-to-day routine thing where I'm recording myself or my live recorded sessions of me trading each and every day. I want to kind of make this a little bit more mixed topic when it comes to the actual videos that I actually do, okay? So take care. I'll see you guys in the next one.